What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on a Dex activity, Nadek Gimiya was having a mini concert from Honda. On Instagram post, one of his fans uploaded his cute photo and video clips having a little talks with him and got a fan sign and photos. Nadek Gimiya makes time with them before the show was started. Dek dedicated a song for them, a beautiful song that they can relate. Dek's looks yesterday was very handsome that everybody can stare with him because of his charm. So you can see Nadek was very happy for undying love and support of him to his fans for him. Today, on Rosan's activity, Rosa's Ivan posted on Instagram her happy weekend together with her family. Family was went in Kauyay to spend a break time after Rosaya's work. Rosa's beer band looked so sexy on her bathing suit in the beach, and she was reading again with her favorite book given by her boyfriend Adek on her birthday last year.